So the sun's just come out and it's absolutely changed the game because of that. It looks so much different in the sun. It's like the colours have just come out completely rather than what it looked like in the shade. I mean, look at that over that side. It looks horrible because it's cloudy, but then you've got this lovely blue beach over here.
We are on our way.
On our way
to Sydney.
Sydney!
Are you a parrot?
I know, I'm ad-libbing.
Ad-libbing?
Yeah.
We've very briefly seen the Sydney skyline from a while back.
Wow, back.
Oh, there's something about Australian city skylines which are so special because they're then like in the UK or in like any European city, if you see the skyline, it's huge and there's so much. But in Australia, because everything's so like compacted into one area, they're just like tiny little stretches, and it's just so cool, isn't it?
It's cool.
So we've arrived at our Sydney campsite for a singular night, and it's more vibey for sure. Like there's loads of people here, which is really nice, but like there's a turkey. I think that's a turkey. I'm actually not sure what that is. People's setups are 5-star resorts, and it's just so cool, like looking at people's setups. It's kind of like looking at really nice houses on like Rightmove, but in real life you're looking at crazy 5-star camp vans. Looking at houses on Rightmove is a pastime of mine. I love it. This is literally like right on the doorstep of the camp as well. I walked about 3 minutes. Someone tell me what this bird is. What the hell? Looks like a turkey.
Welcome to another episode of MasterChef. Today we are cooking in our industrialized kitchen, and we have made it to Sydney. Do a Sydney dance. Our first day out in Sydney. How do you feel, Jose?
Excited.
You are in Sydney. Dream come true for you, right?
Yeah, it is. Except we're not actually going into Sydney today.
No, we're not, but we're technically in Sydney. But we're up in a place called DY, north of
It's just
the
the
Sydney
northern
CBD,
beaches. It's
yeah.
called the area, like the main area.
And it's got this lovely beach called Manly Beach.
Which is in Manly.
Yeah, which is in Manly. Manly Beach in Manly. We're going to head to Manly today. I think it's a famous beach. Everyone seems to know it, but I didn't know it.
It's like, Manly's known as like the posh part of Sydney.
Yeah.
I
So
think.
we're heading to the posh part of Sydney, apparently. Wow, look at this. Pull up right on the beachside. Let's go get a coffee. We're treating ourselves because we're in Sydney now and we're really excited. So yeah, we're treating ourselves to a coffee. So that's why we're getting coffees. We've just found out the parking here is $8 per hour. Can you believe that?
$8 per hour.
So we're going to go move our car because we can't afford that. We had 2 metre clearance when we came in, but
Which is our car.
which is our car, yeah. But we hit the top, which is really odd, and it's scuffed our rooftop tent. It's okay because we've got 2 hours free parking, so it's a win really. But sent this thing flying. I mean, it doesn't look too low, but we definitely hit it, which is very weird.
Heavy.
Yeah. What have we found?
A cafe. I'm having a smoked salmon bagel
Yeah.
with cream cheese. I think it's got avocado. An egg.
An egg.
For $13.50. That's so cheap.
Damn.
That's like, what is that
Cappuccinos.
in British money?
£7.
Yeah, £7.
Okay, so you want only sides. Okay, 2 fried eggs.
Yeah.
And
That's good pan, isn't it? Mine's just like pure burnt toast. Bacon and egg muffin. I'm gonna just eat it in about 10 seconds. I guarantee I'll eat this before Josie's comes. Look at this monster. That is
Huge.
huge. That's bigger than your head almost. Wow. So my favourite part about Sydney is the fact that you can get a ferry all the way from Manly, where we are, Northern Beaches, to Sydney Harbour. It's like a bus service, but on a boat. So we'd head northwest in the direction of the beach. Shame about that view, isn't it? It'd be way better on a sunny day.
Yeah, but we are in autumn.
We are, unfortunately. And that beach behind you, do you know what that's called? Shelley Beach. Shelley Beach.
Is it?
Yeah.
I just made that up.
A lot of people snorkeling in the water over there.
It's still really mild though. Like, I'm in shorts.
Yeah.
I am wearing a body warmer, but I still wouldn't be cold without it.
Yeah.
You know, like it's shorts and a jumper weather still.
So we're right on the edge of the national park here as well, but we're not going to walk it, we're going to drive it because our 2 hours free parking is just about to run out. So we're going to head back to the car in a second and drive. But yeah, the beach is great. Shelley Beach, you can walk to it from Manly Beach.
It's so cute.
And it's right next to the national park, so I see why people are here. If anyone can tell us the name of this thing, then thank you. Look at him, he's going to steal their
They're
stuff.
like dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs?
Dinosaurus rexes.
Look at him running. Damn.
Oh, he's getting blown away.
See ya. He's like, bye.
He's sidestepping. Doesn't it?
There's a lookout just up these stairs here. Let's go. Climb
Felt
this.
a raindrop on my
Oh dear.
face.
Oh dear. Raindrops falling.
All over my face, all over my face, and my ears and my mouth and my nose. I don't know if that's a song, but it really should be. I love raindrops falling on my head.
So we made it to the lookout point. This would be, again, amazing in the sun. But it is amazing anyway. So,
It's very good for the soul. Can you see where my finger's pointing?
yeah.
All the way over there. I think that's DY.
Okay, yeah.
And then I think the next one in, I think that's Curl.
Okay.
But then this is Manly Dee. Yeah, big one.
So we have 8 minutes to make it back to the car park.
And it's like 10 minutes.
So we're going to run back now and hope for the best. Otherwise it's $10, man.
$11.50.
$11.50, which is crazy. So the sun's just come out and it's absolutely changed the game because of that. It looks so much different in the sun. It's like the colours have just come out completely rather than what it looked like in the shade. I mean, look at that over that side. It looks horrible because it's cloudy, but then you've got this lovely blue beach over here.
So where are we?
We are in the national park. I don't know what the national park
I think
name
it's called
is.
North
Head.
Head, or is it
something
North
like
Side?
North Head, I think.
North Sydney National Park or
Sydney.
something, I don't know.
We're heading up to the top. It's probably
The top?
going to be quite windy. Well, it's up a
We
hill.
are at the top, aren't we?
We're going up a hill still, so we're not quite at the
Okay,
peak.
we're still ascending then.
But it's very windy, so you might not be able to hear us. We'll take some good videos of the view of Sydney. Yeah, you should definitely come here, right next to Manly.
Yeah, it's
Beautiful
literally like
place,
around the corner.
Beautiful place.
You can probably walk quite easily up here as well.
Oh yeah, from Manly you could. Yeah, it's like a 45-minute walk.
Is it 45?
Yeah, I checked.
Oh, fair. Easy. Nice. And it's less money on parking as well.
$5 up here? Can you believe it? Dang.
It's all day pass though, so actually if you were to spend all day in the national park,
Yeah.
that's pretty good value.
Yeah.
But we're not. We're probably spending like $1 a minute. It's called Sydney Harbour National Park, and I don't know why we got that wrong. But yeah. Gale force marine winds.
plus base model. So if you want the Pro experience, you can get it
What's
for
just
around the same
happened?
price if you know where to look. So this has to.
What have you done? What have you done?
I dropped my phone
Where do you...
in the bar.
What happened?
It sunk.
Then what?
It sunk like a brick. And I got it out and I dried it and it turned off. Put it in rice and now I'm here watching the best iPhone to get in 2024. Because I think I need a new phone.
But what else then happened when we put the phone in rice?
I dropped the rice on the floor.
How much?
The whole bag.